Number 1. 1995 Ford F-150, price $6,950, showing approximately 265,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 5.7-liter 351 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 3.55 axle ratio, delivering classic power and reliability, finished in a green two-tone exterior with a gray interior. The truck includes power steering, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and a manual sliding rear window for added convenience. Comfort and functionality are further enhanced by air conditioning, cruise control, a tilt steering column, and an original AM/FM cassette radio. It also features manual seats, dual exhaust, side assist steps, a reserve fuel tank, and an aftermarket set of black and chrome wheels. A bug deflector adds a touch of rugged style, while a 2-speed manual transfer case supports its off-road capability. Notably, this truck underwent a 4WD conversion just 1,000 miles ago, utilizing front and rear axles from a 1978 Bronco. Number 2. 2000 Chevrolet S10, price $6,888, well-maintained and very clean pickup that still looks great for its age. With 122,000 miles on the odometer, it's powered by a 2.2L 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering reliable performance and smooth driving. Finished in a crisp white exterior with a gray cloth interior, this S10 features a fully loaded cabin that includes bucket seats with a center console, rear jump seats, tilt steering, cruise control, and a factory AM/FM/CD stereo with cassette player. It also comes equipped with a custom bed mat and factory aluminum mag wheels wrapped in Michelin-raised white leather tires, enhancing both its appearance and practicality. The truck rides comfortably and presents a sharp color combination that adds to its appeal. Number 3. 1989 GMC Sierra 3500, price $9,900. This truck is a solid and well-maintained example of a classic American workhorse. Showing 131,000 miles on the odometer, it's powered by a 7.4-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering the kind of torque and reliability these trucks are known for. The rear-wheel drive setup provides a stable and capable driving experience, making it ideal for towing, hauling, or everyday use. Finished in a timeless gold exterior, the truck maintains a clean and original appearance, while the interior remains comfortable and functional. Recent maintenance includes a new battery and a fresh oil change, ensuring it's mechanically ready for the road. Number 4. 1988 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,890, finished in a beautiful gold exterior complemented by a clean tan interior. Under the hood, it's powered by the big and dependable 7.4L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering strong and reliable performance. With only 98,000 original miles, this RWD truck runs and drives excellently, showing no mechanical or electrical issues. Everything works as it should, including the air conditioning, heater, and radio. The interior is equipped with power windows and comes with 2 keys, while the exterior has been undercoated to prevent rust, helping to preserve its clean condition for years to come. It also features a battery kill switch, a set of good tires, and comes with a fitted cover for added protection when stored. Number 5. 1992 GMC 1500, price $7,500, finished in a distinctive green exterior with a gray interior, offering a timeless and rugged appeal. It's equipped with a 700R4 automatic transmission featuring a shift kit, professionally rebuilt by Fast Eddie in Green Forest a few years ago, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. The odometer shows 229,000 miles, while the exact mileage on the motor remains unknown. This 2WD truck has a straight, rust-free body, a rare find for its age, though the clear coat on the hood and top of the cab is beginning to flake, giving it a bit of character and patina. Despite its mileage, it still runs strong and presents itself as a dependable driver or an excellent candidate for restoration. Number 6. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900. It has been well cared for by its original owner and shows 226,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission paired with the original 4.3L engine, delivering reliable performance typical of classic Chevy trucks. Around 170,000 miles, the transmission was replaced with a genuine GM unit, ensuring smooth and dependable shifting. The truck comes in its original blue exterior paint with a natural patina finish, complemented by a matching blue interior. The cabin has been refreshed with new upholstery and interior door panels, maintaining a clean, period-correct look. Additional upgrades include new Goodyear tires, new rotors, brakes, and pads, all contributing to a confident and comfortable driving experience. Number 7. 2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,799. It has traveled 153,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. Its gold exterior paired with a black interior gives it a timeless and clean appearance that reflects both durability and classic styling. Powered by a strong and reliable V8 gasoline engine, this truck delivers confident performance whether you're cruising on the highway, tackling rough terrain, or handling daily work tasks. The 4x4 system engages smoothly and effortlessly, providing excellent traction and stability in various driving conditions. Inside, the cabin offers a clean, comfortable, and well-maintained environment. The cloth seating remains in great condition, and all controls are fully functional, offering a simple yet driver-focused layout that emphasizes practicality and ease of use. The air conditioning blows cold, the heater works warmly, and the truck retains a solid, reassuring feel throughout, reflecting the consistent care it has received. Number 8. 1990 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,000. It features a gold exterior paired with a brown interior, giving it a timeless and rugged look. Under the hood, it's powered by a 5.7-liter gasoline engine mated to an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and consistent power for everyday driving or light-duty work. The truck shows approximately 180,000 miles, though the odometer recently stopped turning. It comes with a clean title and is configured as a 2WD, making it a reliable choice for on-road performance and efficiency. It has been upgraded with new tires and modern Chevrolet wheels, enhancing both its ride quality and appearance. Overall, the Chevy runs and drives well, though it will need a throttle body replacement soon. Number 9. 1974 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, with 86,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. It comes in a striking orange exterior paired with an orange interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck runs great and has been recently upgraded with a brand new exhaust system from Boise Muffler, a new carburetor from Oakley Moody Service, and a set of rear airbags, allowing it to handle heavier loads with ease. It's also equipped with a small compressor mounted in the engine bay, perfect for keeping the airbags full or even filling up your friend's tires on the go. Power comes from the reliable 350 engine, which does have a minor oil drip typical for a 50-year-old motor, but nothing concerning. The paint shows some fading and a few dings, yet overall, this vintage Chevrolet remains in solid condition, combining functionality, originality, and character. Number 10. 1974 Chevrolet C10, price $3,200. This truck is a 2WD long bed pickup that has traveled approximately 98,000 miles. It features a 350 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and 3.40 rear gears, offering a classic driving experience. Finished in burgundy on the exterior with a tan interior, the truck runs on gasoline and has been recently revived after sitting for about 10 years. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, cap, rotor, points, plugs, and wires, along with fully repaired brakes. It also comes with new wheels and tires. Overall, it's a running and driving project truck that combines originality with a solid mechanical foundation.